Hello and welcome to Everyday English Treats. Today's advanced vocabulary word is charismatic. Let's learn what it means. Charismatic means having a natural ability to attract, influence, and inspire people. Charismatic people often make others feel interested and engaged. Here's an example. The charismatic speaker captured everyone's attention. This means people were interested in what the speaker had to say. Now it's your turn. Can you create your own sentence using the word charismatic? Comment down below. Happy learning with Everyday English Treats. Until next time, take care and keep practicing your English. Learn a little, speak a little, and grow a little every day. See you soon!